Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to change your store theme in Shopify using free themes and also how to do it using the AI theme builder. First, visit shopify.com, then click on login and log into your account. Once you're inside your Shopify account homepage, under Sales Channels, click on Online Store and select Themes. This is my current theme. It's called Down, and this is it live. And before changing it, let's open a product page. This is the product page with this theme. Now to change it, just go. Let's start with the AI theme builder. As you can see here, just describe your business to create unique themes with personalized content. Or before using the AI tool, let's start with the existing popular free themes. As you can see, I'm thinking of using, or let's use this saver theme. Click on add or add below any theme you like. As you can see, they are now installing the theme for me. As you can see, now the new theme is added, but but now if I refresh my online store, I cannot see it. To start seeing it or using it, click on this publish button and hit publish again. As you can see, theme published. Now let's refresh this home page in a new tab, and this is my new theme. Now let's open the new theme product page to compare it to this old one. This is the new theme product page as I've. Now let's see how to change your Shopify online store theme using AI. Here, scroll down to design your store in seconds and describe your business to create unique themes. Now, this is my description: a store specializing in handmade bar soap. Click on generate themes. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Click on generate themes. And these are the new themes or the free themes I got using AI. Let's select this first one. You can view demo by just clicking on this button. This is team home page. And I want to check the product page. I don't think I can access it. No product found. Let's check the next theme. This is a minimalistic theme. Let's see or view the third theme. And you can also view your theme on the smartphone. Just click on this little smartphone icon and you will check the theme in this smartphone preview. Now, when you get, let's try another prompt. A store specializing in bar soap, in bar soap. Let's go with, for example, with specializing in coffee machine business. Click on generate themes. And let's view this second theme. I think this one is very good for a coffee machine business. Let's try the third theme. I like it, the second theme, so I will give it a try. Click on this try try theme button. As you can see, they are now installing it for me. My new theme built using AI is just added, and always don't forget to hit this publish button 2 times to publish your new theme. Now I will repeat the same thing. Refresh the homepage separately, and this is my new theme with new content. My products are still existing, but these sections have or uses this my new theme. Let's refresh the product page. The product page stayed pretty much similar to the original theme, but as you can see, this is a refreshed product photos displaying. And this is how to change your online store theme in Shopify using existing free themes and also using the AI theme builder tool. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.